Hello students, I'm back again with another topic. So today we will be discussing chapter number 6 and how to insert some rows, columns, cells and also how to delete. Okay, and let's start with the class and I am going to put the numbers of each student. Okay, let me consider as computer number of each student. Okay. Okay, that's all. All right. We'll talk about how to update the data of a particular cell. Now we have two options, or I can say we have two ways that we can do. If you want to format the data completely within a cell, then one way you have to follow, and if you want to edit the data or the content of a cell partially, then you have to follow another path. Okay, so first I'm talking about if you want to edit it or format it completely. Okay, so for that, let me just do, I want to update Titash Roy by the name Tiyash Roy. So to update the content completely, we have to simply select the cell and then we have to start writing. Okay, so as I have told, I have to update this name. So I will simply select that cell and will type from my keyboard Tiyash Ray. Okay, you have to press enter. So what you have to do, the name or the content you want to update, you just come to that cell, select that cell and start writing there. Okay, then you will see the previous one, the previous content will be completely updated by the new value or new data. Okay, and now the second thing, the second option, that is if you want to update it partially, that means a particular portion you want to edit. Say you want to edit this Priya Paul to Priya Datta. So for that, what you will do, no need to update the entire name. You have to come to that cell, double click, and then with this cursor, you can update it. Okay, like this. Okay, so the two ways are just by clicking on it and by writing from the keyboard, the entire data will be updated, and if you will double click and then you will edit, then partially you can edit. Okay, so these are the two ways. Now we will talk about how to insert a row, insert a column, and also how to insert a cell or a range of cell. Okay, so first, before inserting a row, we have to select a row upon which we want to add blank row. The scenario is same for column also. If you want to insert a blank column, then you have to select a particular column and you can add a blank column before that. That means in the left hand side it will be added. So first, talking about rows. So I want to add a blank row up on row number 1. So what I have to do, I have to select row number 1. I have previously told how to select. You have to just click once by your mouse on the row number. Okay, then you have to come to this cells group within home tab. We are already in home tab. Within that, here is cells group. There you will find an option insert. Okay, a down arrow is here, so clicking on that you will get this drop down menu. Three options are available: insert cells, insert sheet rows and insert sheet. Insert sheet means you will be able to insert the entire sheet, a new sheet. Okay, and insert cells, we will come to this option later on. Okay, first we will see how to insert sheet rows. Okay, so when you will click, you will see another row, blank row has been added just upon the row that you have selected. Okay. Now for column also, let's do. I'm selecting column A. So for selecting, just clicking on that column name, that's it. Come to insert option and then select insert sheet columns. And see, we are having a blank row just left hand side of that particular selected row. Column. Okay. So that's how we can do. Now, if we want to insert range of cells, that means more than one cell and also applicable for single cell. But I will show you how to insert range of cells. First of all, what you have to do? You have to select the range where you want to insert blank cells. Again, I'm repeating. You have to select the range where you want to add blank cells. After selecting, again come to cells. Again, avail this insert option. There you will see insert cells option is present. So just click. After clicking, you will see this dialog box having 4 different options. Shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row, entire column. Okay, one by one we will apply and we'll see how it is working. So I am first selecting shift cells right and pressing OK. Now see what happened. The range of cell that we have already selected, at the place of that we are having 4 blank cells. Okay, these are new cells that has been added. Okay, now the previous data which were present at that place, those are now shifted to the right hand side as we have selected the options shift cells right, so that the data or that particular cells has been shifted towards the right hand side. Okay, now next option. Again, I am selecting this. No, let's select this one. Then you will understand better. Again, I'm coming to insert. Again, I'm availing insert cells and this dialog box. And now I will choose shift cells down. That means the data or this particular cells will be shifted downward, and at that place we will have 4 blank cells. Let's see. Pressing OK. It has been shifted. Now you can see that whenever I am applying some option, this is not affecting these data, right? It is only applicable for these 4 cells. It is not affecting these data. Okay. Now next, we'll come to the option. No, let me just. Now we will see how it will affect the entire row and entire column. Now again, same procedure. Now we'll choose entire row. What is entire row? That means, see, the range I have selected, that is occupying row number 4 and 5, right? So when I will press this option entire row, we will see that 2 blank rows will be added to this row number 4 and row number 5, and the data will be shifted downward. Okay, data will be shifted downward, and at that place we will have 2 blank rows. Let's apply. Again, I'm selecting these rows. Again, I'm selecting these columns. Coming to insert cells, choosing this entire column. See, at the place of column number D and E, we are having 2 blank columns and the data has been shifted towards the right hand side. Okay, and it will affect all the data present in that row or in that column. Okay, bye bye. Having any problem, any doubt, then tell me in the comment section. Okay, so bye bye. Practice at home and be healthy, be fit and be fine. See you soon. Bye.